Let's get you out the door. Talk about the rain, because maybe you woke up to some showers in your area, or you live in Galveston out to Baytown and you're like, we've been seeing rain all morning. So a cold front moved through. The thing is, it has stalled in the eastern portion of the viewing area. That's why some spots are still seeing rain at this hour, while others are pretty dry, and actually a lot of rain out just to the east of Baytown, right along the I-10 corridor in Anahuac. If you live there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Note that we still could be seeing another few hours of that heavy rain before it really starts to shift off to the east. So folks who live out in Spring, likely not going to be seeing much more in the way of rain today, but some clouds out there. 78 degrees by lunchtime. Taking you down to West U, it looks like forecast highs will be in the upper 70s today, not quite reaching that 80-degree mark. Similar story in LaPorte, 74 through 9 a.m. before we remain in the upper 70s through at least 5 o'clock this evening. Now let's take you through the next few days, because there's still the chance for some isolated showers by a little bit later on today. Nothing widespread and shouldn't be too impactful. Then this front still sits overhead on Sunday. Pretty low end rain chances. I've gone with a 10 to 20% chance, and a similar story on Monday as that front officially clears off to the east during the mid-morning hours. So the sun will actually be out and shining, but with more sun is going to be coming an increase in temperatures. Now over the next several days, we don't have super high-end rain chances. I will say there is a front forecast to move in on Wednesday evening. Right now it looks like it's going to be rather weak, but hey, it will be bringing the return of the 70s come this upcoming Thursday and Friday. But let's talk about the tropics, because we continue to monitor Tropical Storm Rafael. Now it's doing a little bit of a loop in the central Gulf of Mexico, but dry air has already been wrapped into this system, and you can see that with our water vapor imagery. But there's high wind shear over southeast Texas and Louisiana. That's going to help steer this system away from the coastal United States. So after it does its loop, it's actually going to be shifting southwest into the Bay of Campeche come Tuesday into Wednesday. So again, staying away from us, which is good news, but it is going to be impacting our coastal zones today through your holiday on Monday. We're looking at a high risk for rip currents, as well as an increase in some large swell. Keep that in mind. Probably not the best day to actually get in the water. Beach conditions should improve by the middle of the week, and then take a look at afternoon highs Thursday, Friday in the 70s with wake up temperatures back to the 50s.